Just walking the garden today, doing a general check on things. We had finally a decent amount of rain. So this is my herb bed. And by that I mean it's kind of herbs and medicinals or anything that could be used for that. Looks like the black-eyed Susan perked up a little bit. Definitely this coneflower here. This lavender I had to clean out a bit. I kind of waited a bit too long in the season to clean out the old, so it's going to take a while for it to kind of look like a normal shape. Oh, but it smells so good. So this part's doing fine. That's calendula back there. It's going to be an orange one. Or they're all going to be orange, but yeah. That's the kind that I got this year. This is pincushion flower. So cute. And these are dwarf asters that are done for the season. This is a mustard plant. It just kind of started growing somewhere, so I moved it into this bed. And this is Jacob's ladder, which is a beautiful color when it blooms. And of course a little marigold. And I have a dwarf sunflower growing here. So yeah, the general theme of this rectangular bed, salvia here, is anything that can be used for medicinal, herbal, or culinary use. I'm gonna plant some, when it gets big enough, I'm gonna put some purple basil right in this spot. It's gonna be really nice. It's one of my dog's favorite treats. Oh, and chamomile. Can't forget the chamomile. It's gonna be used in some tea.